Need to check whether mobile numbers are powered on and able to connect to the network? Powered on, off helps perform real-time lookup for global mobile numbers, including carrier matching, power on, off status, invalid numbers, and roaming status. It can be used for SMS, telemarketing, and AI outbound calling scenarios before campaign planning or outreach. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available phone number verification and mobile detection products. Click Get Started to create a new account or sign into the NumberCheck platform. Before starting the detection task, make sure your account has sufficient credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Return to the product list. Under the mobile phone category, locate Powered On, Off, and click Buy Now. Select the country or region that matches the phone numbers in your uploaded list. Powered On, Off detection is available for countries worldwide. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing the mobile numbers you want to check. One phone number per line is recommended. Make sure the numbers use a consistent format and match the selected country or region. Click Start Detection to begin the real-time lookup task. The system will check the uploaded mobile numbers and return available detection results, including carrier matching, power on, off status, invalid number status, and roaming status when available. After the detection task is completed, open the results page to review the task status and results summary. Review the valid results and check which phone numbers are powered on and able to connect to the network normally. You can also review available carrier, invalid number, and roaming status information when included in the results. Click Download to save the complete Powered On, Off detection results for further filtering and analysis. The exported file contains phone numbers identified as powered on and able to connect to the network normally when detection results are available. The results may also include carrier matching, power on, off status, invalid number status, and roaming status. These results can be used for SMS campaign preparation, telemarketing list filtering, AI outbound calling preparation, customer database cleaning, and contact list analysis. Powered on. Off detection helps businesses reduce unnecessary outreach to unreachable or invalid numbers before starting a campaign. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more NumberCheck tutorials and phone number verification guides. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking Powered On, Off results today.